munini wa Jaji munene Philomena Mwilu muthenya wa keri oyuma mugeni wa jaji wa igoti ria ungumania Lawrence Mugambi no batuni imwe ya mawakiri ikimurugamirira mbere ya igoti ria ungumania. Batuni ya keri yuma igoti-ini rinene kurugamia mibango o yothe ya guthitanga Mwilu nginyagia mathenya mothe mubango-ini mugima wa kumunyita na kumuthitanga mambe marungwo.
This prosecution has been brought for an extraneous purpose, the objective of which is not to achieve the aims of the criminal justice system, but secure the removal of the Deputy Chief Justice.
While all of us accept that the fight against corruption is important, indeed is timely, but we cannot take that as a panacea to literally roughshod rights of important state officers.
Mbere ya Jaji Lawrence Mugambi arutite mwerekera wa cira uyu mawakiri ma Mwilu mbere ya jaji wa igoti rinene Chamwita mahota kumuiguithia ati he ciuria cia kiwatho ciagiriire kwamba gucokio mbere ya cira ucio hitukite. Maroiga ati Philomena Mwilu ni jaji wa gikiro kia iguru na mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi ndari na uhoti wa kumuikia ngono.
That have been brought by the Director of Public Prosecutions against the judiciary of Kenya, and there are no proceedings against the Law Society of Kenya.
To consider the effect of a plea, it changes you automatically from being a suspect to being an accused person. It changes the way people look at you. An unnecessary plea is an unnecessary burden.
Before a plea can be taken, an accused person is entitled not only to the charge sheet in advance, but is also entitled to the evidence.
Jaji wa igoti rinene agiathana ati cira ucio rugamio nginyagia tariki 9 mweri wa 10 maratathi maria matwaritwo igoti-ini ria ungumania mena utiganu. Itua ria jaji wa igoti rinene rina cira namba 292 mwaka wa 2018 no cira wa Philomena Mwilu uria wa igoti-ini ria ungumania ni cira namba 38 mwaka wa 2018.
Court orders must be specific and should never leave room for interpretation. Consequently, I agree with the state that this order cannot apply.
Jaji Lawrence Mugambi athanite ati itua ria igoti rinene ricokerio mwene acenjie kuria kwina mahitia na miena yeri igacoka igoti-ini riake muthenya wa Jumaa. No mbere iyo bodi ya ciringi milioni 5 kuri Jaji Philomena Mwilu no irugamite. Mwilu akinyitio igoti-ini agikuruhanio na mahitia maria macungiriirie kuhaguka gwa thengia Imperial. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.